everybody, Lois from Fitness Coaching here again. I wanted to share with you how to book a class. So if you'd like to book a class and you'd like to have it automatically send you reminders, what we can do is I will share my screen and walk you through it. So here we go. So the first thing you'll want to do is you'll click on the link that I send you, and then you'll click on the classes tab. Now, if you've already created an account with us, you'll want to do that. And if you haven't, you can go back to that other video and look at that and create an account. So you want to have an account probably created at this point, but if you don't, go back to the other video and we'll walk you through it. And again, if you have any questions or problems with this, call me and I'm happy to walk you through. So we have a class this evening. So if you want to click on the sign up now button, so click on the classes tab, then click on sign up now. It's going to then prompt you to either create an account or sign in. So I'm going to go in and sign in with my username and password that I've created. So then what it's going to do is it's going to make a reservation for me. Now you have two options here. You can make a single reservation, or in my personal opinion, if you're going to be doing these classes week over week, just click on the reoccurring option. So you can click on make a single reservation and then reoccurring, where it automatically will add you to the class every week and kind of save your spot. So you can click on as many classes here as you want. So let's say we're going to click on 4. And then you want to click on make a reoccurring reservation. So now I didn't buy this credit yet. So at this point, you would need to either put your credit card information in, or if you haven't created an account, give us a call and we can help you walk through it if you have some trouble with it. But really at this point, you click OK. And then it's going to give you options. So if you'd like to buy the 2-week package or the unlimited package, there's your options there. So we're just going to click on unlimited. That's a better deal. And then at this point, you click on check out. Now, again, if you don't have credit card information in here, don't worry about it. You can add it at this point. And if you have a gift card, you can add that gift card in up at the top here, or your credit card information in here. Before you click place the order, do read our terms and conditions. It does make sure that you are aware of what is going to happen moving forward. Click on place the order, and then you're good to go. Once you do that, if you want to learn how to add yourself to other kinds of classes, you can come back and rewatch this video again, and you can do the different drop downs for each individual class. Anyway, I hope that was helpful. Call me if you have any questions. Again, the number is 862-251-8989. Thanks, everybody. Have a great rest of your day.